In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Systeme.io affiliate link in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or new to affiliate programs, accessing your affiliate link is crucial for promoting Systeme.io products and earning commissions. So let's dive right in and get you set up. To begin, we'll need to access your Systeme.io dashboard. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Systeme.io login page. Here you'll see fields where you need to enter your login email and password. Take a moment to enter these details carefully to ensure a successful login. Once you're certain that they are correct, go ahead and click on the sign in button. After successfully logging in, you should be directed to your Systeme.io dashboard. This central hub is where you can access all the tools and resources that Systeme.io has to offer. Our next step is to locate the affiliate dashboard, which is where you'll find your unique affiliate information. Look around and you should see an option or a tab labeled Affiliate Dashboard. Give that a click. An important thing to note here is that when you sign up for Systeme.io, you automatically become a part of their affiliate program. This is a fantastic feature because it means you're already on your way to earning commissions without needing to take any extra steps to enroll separately. As a part of this affiliate program, you are provided with a unique affiliate ID. This ID is essential and it's what helps track any referrals and sales that come through your promotions. Once you are in the affiliate dashboard, you should see your affiliate ID displayed clearly. Make a note of this ID as it will be the key component in your affiliate link. If you're wondering how to put this into action and start seeing some results, you'll want to start promoting your affiliate link. There are numerous ways to do this and it's all about finding the channels that work best for you. Consider sharing your affiliate link through various marketing channels such as your website or blog if you have one. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn can be highly effective for reaching diverse audiences. Additionally, email marketing remains a powerful tool, so don't hesitate to include your affiliate link in your newsletter or promotional emails. The key is to integrate your link naturally into your content and reach your target audience where they are most active. By following these steps, you're well on your way to successfully promoting Systeme.io and potentially earning commissions through their affiliate program. Remember, the more you share and the more value you provide to potential customers, the better your chances of seeing positive results. So, start sharing today and watch your affiliate efforts pay off. Thank you for watching and happy promoting.